Good day, grade 8 math students. Hope everyone's well. Here's a quick review on how to divide fractions, and we're going to remember the acronym Keep, Change, Flip, or KCF. So here we go. We take a fraction, and we keep the first fraction the same. We change the division sign to a multiply, and we flip or take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now you can see I have an answer here. So I go 3 times 7 for 21 and 4 times 2 for 8. This is technically correct, but it's not quite correct enough for us. We also need to take this and turn it back into a mixed number for our final answer. So 8 fits into 21 twice with whatever 21 subtract 16 is left over, and obviously that's 5. So 2 and 5/8 is the best answer to this question. Again, keep the first fraction, change the division to a multiply, and flip the second fraction, KCF. All right, so if we need to do this with mixed numbers, the steps are basically the same, except you need to take those mixed numbers and turn them into improper fractions first. So we take the whole number, we multiply by the bottom, and we add the top. That will give us an improper fraction. So 1 and 2/3 becomes 5/3. 2 and 5/6 becomes 17/6. So then I divide those by keep, change, flip. And you can see here, 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 17 is 51. That one works out to a number that we do not need to reduce. All right, so let's look here at a problem-solving question. So the terms you were looking for are something like, let's change my pen here to something different, are things like how many times, or what fraction of, or a question that's asking you how many times something will fit into a greater whole. That is a really good way to indicate you need to do a division operation. Okay, so we'll read this question together. The world's longest river is the Nile in Africa, with a length of 6,825 kilometers. This is about 1 5/8 times as long as the Mackenzie River, which is Canada's longest river. How long is the Mackenzie? Okay, so the key word I'm looking for here when I'm looking for what math operation to do is how many times as long. That tells me division. So I'm going to take my length of the Nile, put that over 1 to make it a fraction. I'm going to divide that by 1 5/8. I'm then going to turn my 1 5/8 into an improper fraction. So 1 times 8 is 8, plus 5 is 13, so 13/8. I'm then going to keep, change, flip, and when I actually do my math on here, so 6,825 times 8 for 54,600, and 1 times 13 for 13, 54,600, 13 fits into that 4,200 times. So the Mackenzie River is 4,200 kilometers long. Enjoy, and don't be afraid to chat with Miss Muirhead or Mr. Grieve if you need any help. Thank you very much.